Transmission Control Module DTC P0847 Fluid Pressure Sensor. We drain the transmission fluid and we remove the transmission oil pan. We'll remove the valve body so that we can check the harness connector, our fluid pressure sensor.
Right there on top of the moon, you can sit and do nothing.
Remove these bolts. Next, this 14 mm nut of our manual valve. We'll remove the bolts with mark number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. Natin yan.
Tatakot kasi ako. Baka utulan tayo. Wala. Tatagal ito nga.
We'll check the harness connector of our valve body. Here, we'll check the end-to-end harness connector of our fluid pressure sensor. We'll disconnect the harness connector of our valve body. CVT unit connector F209, terminal number 14. Control valve body connector F207, terminal number 12. We will check the resistance of terminal 14 and 12. Then next is 18 and 13, terminal 22 and terminal 11. So we will check the resistance of 14 and 12. 18 and 13, 22 and 11. We will check the resistance value. So this is the harness connector. This is the F209 and this is the F207 harness connector.
14 and 12.
14 and 12 color pink. Color pink.
Ano ito nagdikit? Ay, hindi. Ano po sunod? Hindi siya nagdikit. Hindi siya sa drawing. Ito eh. Ayan,
Harness
Ayan.
connector. Color pink. Color pink. There is resistance value 0.9 ohms. Ohms ba? In to in, color pink. Color of
Okay.
the wire.
So, tinan ko kung may
1.1.
baba rin. Siguro depende dito sa contact dito sa akin. Oo.
Babari yung value, resistance value.
Ayan. Kasi yan, nakadikit na maayos.
Mm.
Ngayon, tinan natin dito sa likod.
Ano pa ni Blade?
18, 13.
Chris.
Chris?
Hmm.
Bakit Blade?
O, di ba yung Chris?
Yellow.
Blade.
Ah, na naman?
Yellow.
Ayan. Yellow. 0.0.
0.09.
Ay, gising. Nakita eh.
Sir,
Next,
basta bumili ng
22,
ano natin,
11.
pasado natin.
Red color.
Papasok ka pala eh. Ano to? Yellow. Sa pink. Oh, wala. Naman. 1, 2, 3. Pangatlo din. Dalawang pala eh.
11. F207.
Dalawang
Number
pala.
11. Then,
Dito. Mali ah.
F209. Number
1, 2. Pangalawa.
22. Terminal.
Saan kaya dito?
09.
0.7.
0.7. The value of
Tingnan ko kung may ground o short.
terminal 22 and 11. These are the result of our checking. So the value of connector F209 of CVT unit, terminal 14 and control valve body F207 14 and terminal 12 0.8 ohms, 18 and 13 0.9 ohms, terminal 22 and terminal 11 0.7 ohms. So there's no short circuit, there's no open circuit in this checking of our terminal. As per the result of our checking of harness connector, we got the resistance value. We have to replace this valve body assembly. So we check the resistance value of solenoid valve. So we got the normal value in each solenoid valve.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm
we will replace the bulb body. So this is the new one. Okay guys, so we already installed the bulb body together the oil pan of our CVT transmission. Refilling CVT fluid of our transmission. This is the cover, cap cover of our pillar tube of our Outlander. There's lock there inside. You have to put screwdriver so that you can remove this cap over here in our pillar tube.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I'll wait.
Okay, so we will insert the CD. This is the serial number of our bulb body. So we will insert here in our CD reader. Okay. Then we will go to MUT SA3. Then
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were.
okay guys, so we will open the MUT 3SA. We'll click this scan tool viewer. So that is the model code of our Outlander 2023 2.5 liters. We'll click this transmission. We'll touch this OK check button. We'll touch this special function of our transmission. IP characteristic data writing. Write IP characteristic replacement AT, CVT or transmission control module using import data. We'll touch this check button. We'll choose the file data. This Y698116. We'll touch this check button. Reset IP characteristic data. Before performing writing operation, reset IP characteristic data. Press OK button to start.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be.
Okay guys, so after we replace the control bulb of our CVT transmission, we perform the file import of our serial number of our control valves. Then we follow the procedure of learning calibration data, then successfully done the problem on this vehicle, Outlander 2023. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless everyone.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't.
Okay guys, so we will check the CVT fluid table. So we will remove this overflow plug. We'll check if there is fluid drips. Okay. We park the shifting lever to P and engine at idling. Then we will check the oil level if there's oil drips from that overflow plug. We will use this 14 mm box gun. Okay. Okay, so no fluid drips in our overflow plug. We will add a little bit. Okay guys, so after we refill with CVT fluid, there is fluid drips from the overflow plug. Now we will close it. We'll return back the plug. Then we will tighten. Okay. Okay, done.